Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Atika Sari. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and click notification. Seeing the spread of the coronavirus, the World Health Organization WHO has declared that COVID-19 is global pandemic. In an effort to stop the spread of the virus, many have implemented lockdown to end all activities going out and going into the country. In Indonesia itself, although not fully implementing a lockdown, many regions have implemented large-scale social restrictions in their respective region. People are asked to stay at home and reduce activity outside the home. Limiting yourself to staying at home for long periods of time certainly has a lot of consequences. The main goal to break off the sign of the spread of the coronavirus is right on target. However, this also causes various negative impact, especially on the economy and education sector in Indonesia. There are so many losses experienced by large, medium, and small interests which are laid off for their employees. In the education sector, teaching and learning activities are forced to be carried out using both system. Although there is no official research that states how effective the learning system is compared to manual learning. Looking at the current reality, many students complain about distance learning. They prefer face-to-face learning as usual. This phenomenon often causes various impacts, especially on the psychological aspect of students. The following are the various impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic of our students. The first, psychological effect, the psychology of students because of the change in the learning system that was previously manual into a bold system. This awareness for students not followed. This requires students to adopt the new habits that may cause stress. Second, the lack of activity carried out at home. So far, students used to socializing with friends on campus, but during pandemic, they are required to stay at home, so that become limited. Finally, confused to find activity that can be done at home. Third, the difficulty of going to college is birth. Disadvantage is learning using a board system include often to the internet or slow network, requiring money to buy internet packet or looking for a reference in doing assignment, the not depending on time, so that you must always be standby, inefficient in terms of energy, time, and cost. For students who have just graduated, it will be increasingly difficult to get a job because of the sharp economic conditional in Indonesia. After reviewing the impact caused during COVID-19 pandemic, here are the solutions can be done to overcome them. The first, increase communication with friends on professional communities in order to build a network or communities that can be at knowledge, insight, and useful information about job vacancies, seminar, and workshop. 2. Distract yourself by studying earnestly. It never has to prepare as early as possible. Exploring the knowledge that has been obtained so far will be very useful in the future, especially for those of you who wish to become a state civil apparatus. Studying theoretical knowledge to take the CPNS exam will be very useful. Third, finding a busy life is easy, but looking for useful activity to do. From now on, busy yourself to do positive activities that are beneficial to yourself and others, such as exercising, gardening, writing, participating in charities, and being proactive in doing other social activities that benefit many people. 4. Creating jobs according to hobbies and expertise. Learning to be an entrepreneur can be done at any time, especially in the current pandemic. There is a lot of free time that can be used. Instead of being lazy and unproductive, to create a job according to your hobby can make money. Besides being useful, maybe it can be your self-livelihood later. I hope this pandemic will end quickly and face-to-face lecture will be held soon. Okay, that's all my video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.